Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we're going to be looking at the Samsung refrigerator and we're going to be showing you how to remove the bottom shelf. First thing is you want to remove all the food from the middle and the bottom drawers, and then you want to also remove the shelves in the middle section. So here right above the water filter you have these interlocking clips that lock down the bottom shelf. They're a little bit challenging to press, so what I use is a screwdriver to press both of the interlocking clips together and then kind of push up on the shelves to release the shelf. So it's just a little bit challenging, but you can do it. So you can see here that I removed the bottom shelf, and then here you can see on the right side, right above the wheel, you can see the little clip where you want to press. You want to press around the clip or right underneath it. You can see on the left hand side also the other clip. Now that you remove the bottom shelf, it's time to remove the glass, and you have these two clips right here that keep the glass locked down. What you want to do is you want to flip the shelf over so you can remove these clips. You don't want to do it from the other side because you could potentially break the glass. So what you want to do is, with a couple of screwdrivers, you just want to push these clips here right in like this and push it out with the screwdriver like that, and that's going to remove both of the clips. When you flip it over, you want to make sure that you're holding the glass because so it doesn't fall. And to remove the glass, just press from the bottom and pull it out just like this, and you're ready to use your best strategy to clean the glass and the shelf. So I just use a couple of warm water, some soap, and voila, it's nice and clean now, and I can reinstall the glass back in just slide it right in. There's like a little clip right up in the front that you slide the glass right in. You just gonna have to tilt it a little bit, and then just the next thing you're going to do is you're going to reinstall those interlocking clips to lock down the glass. And you can see here, I'll show you guys a close-up of where the clips just kind of go in here. This is the right side, you can see, and then the other side, you're just going to clip them right in there. And then the next thing is just reinstall it back into the fridge. You're going to go in like 45 degrees. And then just kind of wiggle it in there, and you should be good to go. And it'll just lock right in there with the part of the filter. You'll hear a click, and it should look like this once you finish installing it. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, and good luck with cleaning your fridge, especially the bottom part.